occasion made even more special by the presence of two remarkable individuals whose contributions and support have significantly enriched our journey. It is with immense pride and joy that we welcome our esteemed chief guest, Revered Mr. Pankaj Malik, Chairman of School Management Committee, SMC, and respected Ms. Neelu Malik.
That's right. Mr. Pankaj Malik has been a steadfast supporter of our school, standing with us in times of triumph and challenge alike. His inspiring journey, marked by dedication and an unwavering commitment to community welfare, serves as a beacon of motivation for everyone present here.
And alongside him, we have the dynamic Miss Neelu Malik, whose grace, insight, and unstinting encouragement have been a guiding force for many. Her deep passion for nurturing young minds make her a true inspiration. Together, they exemplify strength, vision, and compassion.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's join hands in extending a warm and heartfelt welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Malik, whose presence here today is an immense honor for all of us. Your applause will echo our gratitude and excitement as they grace this occasion.
Sir and ma'am, we are deeply honored to have you here. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause as we warmly welcome them with this joyful song.
प्रधानाध्यापक महोदय, शिक्षकगण, अत्र उपस्थिता श्रोतारः, अस्मिन् शुभ संध्याकाले भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतं स्वागतं स्वागतम्। अद्यतनस्य वार्षिकोत्सवस्य विषयः धरोहरस्ति। अष्टम वर्गस्य छात्रः आराध्य उमेश अलिबागकर।
अहं राधिका सागर पाठक अद्यत्वस्य वार्षिकोत्सवस्य स्वदेव भाषायां स्वागतं करोमि। आतिथ्यं स्वर्गसदृशं सन्तोषं सुखलक्षणं सत्कारो धर्मवचनं स्वागतते नमोस्तुते।
आतिथ्य स्वर्ग के समान है, संतोष ही सुख का लक्षण है, सत्कार धर्म का वचन है। आपका स्वागत है, आपको नमस्कार है।
जिंदल विद्या मंदिर शाळांच्या धरोहर या वार्षिकोत्सवात आपले सहर्ष स्वागत। आजचा दिवस विद्यार्थ्यांच्या कलागुणांना वाव देणारा व त्यांचे आत्मविश्वास, धैर्य वाढवणारा आहे। आज भारतीय परंपरा, संस्कृती याचा सुरेख संगम आपल्याला पाहायला मिळेल। चला विद्यार्थ्यांचे सादरीकरण पाहूया व त्यांना प्रोत्साहन देऊया। Tonight, we are privileged to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Pankaj Malik, the chairman of the School Management Committee, SNC, and respected Mrs. Neelu Malik. It is indeed an honor to have them amongst us on this evening. We are deeply grateful to you to have spared your precious time. Your inspiring presence shall definitely make this event a remarkable one. Now, we shall warmly welcome our revered chief guests by presenting them with a sapling and roses as a token of our respect and gratitude. Please give them a big round of applause.
आज हम प्रस्तुत हुए हैं स्वागत के शुभ भाव लेकर, स्वागत के शुभ भाव लेकर। अतिथियों के सम्मान का सर्वहृदय प्रफुल्लित है। स्वागत है श्रीमान, आपका स्वागत आगत स्वागत है। स्वीकारा हमारा आमंत्रण, हम यह उपकार समझते हैं। हर एक व्यक्ति करें जहाँ जहाँ आप कदम रखते हैं, जहाँ आप कदम रखते हैं। जैसे फूलों की महक से बगिया महकती है, वैसे ही हमारे आदरणीय अतिथियों के आगमन से हमारा आयोजन और भी भव्य हो गया। तो इस शुभ संध्या को बेहद शानदार और मनोरंजक बनाने का हम आपसे वादा करते हैं।
Amazing start to this gathering. As we begin this sacred occasion, we now turn to a cherished tradition, the lighting of the lamp. This simple yet profound act symbolizes the triumph of light over darkness, wisdom over ignorance, and truth over illusion. As the proverb goes, when the light of wisdom shines, darkness disappears.
यह सबका कल्याण करने वाली है। ऊपर की ओर बढ़ती लौ, ज्ञान, उत्थान और सभी चुनौतियों से ऊपर उठने की हमारी संकल्प का प्रतीक है। चलिए इस कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ दिव्य ज्वलन से करते हैं।
Sacred light fill our heart with positivity and inspire us to walk the path of wisdom, compassion, and unity.
whose recent passing has left a void in the heart of every Indian.
Dr. Manmohan Singh was a visionary leader, brilliant economist and humble statesman who dedicated his life to serving the country with integrity and wisdom. His contributions, especially in shaping India's economic policy, will be remembered for years to come.
Inspired by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who transformed Ganesh Chaturthi into a symbol of unity and nationalism. His powerful words, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it," continue to inspire courage and strength in all of us.
That's right, Tia. Through graceful movements and vibrant rhythms, this dance honors not only Lord Ganesha's divine grace, but also Tilak's spirit of patriotism. It beautifully brings together the legacy of devotion and unity that still guide us today.
Exactly, Adrita. It's a mesmerizing journey where tradition and history unite in a vibrant celebration of our heritage. So let's sit back, enjoy, and cheer them on with a big round of applause as they take the stage.
स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध हक्क आहे आणि तो मी मिळवणारच.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
कोण कुठला हा इंग्लंड देश? आपण सगळे हिंदुस्थानी एकत्र येऊन त्याच्यावर फुटलो तरी सुद्धा त्याच्यात पाऊस आहे.
स्वातंत्र्य मिळाल्याशिवाय आम्ही गप्प बसणार. मी या लोकांचे आणि ते माझे.
मुझे लगता है कि अगर हम अहिंसा के मार्ग से स्वराज मांगे तो
गांधी 25 सालों से मैं ब्रिटिशों से लड़ रहा। स्वराज्य के लिए खून बहाना ही होगा, नहीं तो मिले हुए स्वराज्य की कोई कीमत नहीं रहेगी।
Step into the spotlight. These little bundles of energy and joy are all the set of light this stage with their vibrant dance moves. Their performance is not just a vibrant rhythm and coordination, it's a celebration of childhood, a time full of innocence, laughter and boundless enthusiasm.
Absolutely, Anish. The sheer excitement and spirit these little ones bring are unmatched. Just imagine those radiant smiles, those playful yet confident steps, and the twinkle of pure happiness in their eyes. It's a reminder of how joyful and carefree life can be when seen through the eyes of children. They will transform this space into a magical realm, one filled with happiness, rhythm, and celebration. We promise their charm will not only captivate your eyes, but also touch your hearts, leaving you smiling and maybe even dancing along in your seats.
So, let's give these tiny stars the biggest cheer we can. Our applause and encouragement meet the world of them, and they will shine even brighter knowing you are cheering them on.
and filled the room with electrifying joy. A big round of applause for the talented performers who has amazed us with their mesmerizing act. But the excitement doesn't stop here. Now we have something even more special for you. Our tiny stars, the adorable nursery students, are all set to take the dance and charm their way into your hearts. With their tiny steps, joyful steps, and innocent smiles, heartwarming smiles, they are here to bring a whole new level of delight to this event. Their performance is a beautiful reflection of life's purest joys, and it's perfectly captured by the soulful tune by through they will be dancing to, a melody that reminds us of the simple, precious moments we sometimes overlook. The song beautifully expresses this through its heartfelt lyrics. Itni si hasi, itni si khushi.
Absolutely, Ash. These little ones are not just performing a dance. They are celebrating life's small, meaningful moments, the ones that truly makes our journey worthwhile. This dance celebrates the small, precious moments that makes the life truly beautiful. Let's give them a big cheer as they bring their magic to the stage. Filling our heart with warmth and happiness, let their aura and innocence light up this occasion.
ये तूने क्या किया मैं तेरे संग हो चली एक चतुर नार करके सिंगार, एक चतुर नार करके सिंगार, मेरे मन के द्वार यह घुसत जात, हम मरत जात हर चतुर नार करके सिंगार। परसा चतुर नार करके सिंगार। एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार, एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार, अपने ही जाल में हंसत जात, हम हंसत जात। अरे एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार।
Just the sweetest, their innocence and joy truly warmed our hearts. Let's give them another big round of applause for such an adorable act. Now, we continue the celebration with something equally special. Our talented LKG students are ready to perform a heartfelt dance dedicated to their most cherished people, their parents. This beautiful performance is a tribute to the pure and unbreakable bond between parents and their children. This performance will light up the evening and fill your hearts with joy.
Absolutely, Dia. As the saying goes, parents are the anchors of a child's life. With every step, these little dancers remind us of the love, sacrifices, and care that parents bring into our life. Their performance is not just a dance, it's a heartfelt expression of gratitude and admiration for their parents.
So let's shower them with applause as they take the stage, pouring their hearts into this touching tribute to their parents. Let their innocent joy and pure love light up this moment for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the LKG students with a big round of applause.
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ। यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ। तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता। मेरी माँ भीड़ में यूं न छोड़ो मुझे, घर लौट के भी आना पाऊँ माँ। भेजना इतना दूर मुझको तू, याद भी तुझको आना पाऊँ माँ। क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ, क्या इतना बुरा। मेरी माँ
We are lucky to witness such a wonderful moment here today. Now, get ready for something truly special, something that shall bring a big smile to your face and get your toes tapping up next. Our talented stars from UKG are all set to take the stage with a dazzling performance on an energetic and peppy tune. Senorita.
Oh, I couldn't agree more with you, Saima. The Senorita song has such a contagious rhythm. And when combined with the spirit of these little performers, it's going to be a true showstopper. Their energy, their playful expression, and their love for dancing will sure make this performance a memorable one. Their lively moves and boundless enthusiasm are guaranteed to light up the stage and leave you all entertained. This isn't just a dance. It's a burst of joy, rhythm, and fun that celebrates the innocent and excitement of these childhood. It's such a treat to watch these young stars give their best and bring such a vibrant energy to the stage. So let's cheer them on with all our heart because your applause will inspire them to shine even brighter.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो संगीना सेन्योरिटा, चाहत के दो पल भी निभाए. दुनिया में ये कौन है क्या, दो पल को दो आओ हो जाए. भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा, सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं क्या.
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedican, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों से कहीं अरमानों की दास्तां है सेन्योरिटा. ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है सेन्योरिटा. मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो सब हीरा सेन्योरिटा. चाहत के दो पल भी निभाए, दुनिया में भी कौन है क्या, दो पल को दो आओ हो जाए. भूले हम होता हम है क्या, चाहत के दो पल भी
message that touches all of us. Through their lively movement and captivating dance, these young stars will shine a spotlight on the urgent need to save trees, protect animal species, and prevent global warming. With each movement, they'll remind us that small actions can make a big difference in protecting our planet.
Their performance is both a celebration of nature and a call to action for all of us to step up and preserve the earth for future generations. Let's cheer them on as they dance with energy and passion, spreading a powerful message of our love for our environment. Come on then, let's give these young performers a big round of applause as they will inspire us to make a positive impact on our planet.
इरादा बेबस और लाचार बना दिया। भूल गया इंसान की वो भी पहले जानवर था। क्यों लेते हैं उनकी जान अपने शौक पूरे करने के लिए? क्यों करते हैं उनका इस्तेमाल अपने को ढकने के लिए? क्या हुआ अगर वो बोल नहीं सकता, पर दी है जिंदगी भगवान ने सभी को, क्या इंसान ये देख नहीं सकता?
कागर मोरी दुनिया रजत से चुन चुन खाइयो कागर मोरी दुनिया रजत से चुन चुन खाइयो रखिया खाइयो ना तो ना मोर खाइयो ना तो ना मोर प्रिया क्या मिलंगी आस खाइयो ना तो ना मोर खाइयो ना तो ना मोर प्रिया क्या मिलंगी आस मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है। हाँ, बड़ा
time.
That's right, Tia. Through their energetic dance and expressive moves, they will show us how the mobile addiction affects our life, and they will remind us the importance of disconnecting from our device to reconnect the human connect.
Exactly, Anish. Their performance will serve as a timely reminder that while technology can connect us, it's just as crucial to strike a balance with outdoor games and real-life interactions.
Absolutely. So let's support our class 2 students with a warm round of applause as they bring this important message to life with passion and creativity.
व्हाट्सएप ले लो, फेसबुक ले लो, स्नैपचैट ले लो, इंस्टाग्राम ले लो, 15 सेकंड के रील, 30 के रील, 10 रुपए के फॉलोअर्स ले लो।
दोपहर